with celebrity chef Lidia Bastianich and Army veteran Ebony Unworthy and her sons. They just made one of Lydia's recipes and we can't wait any longer. Guys, how did it turn out?
Great. It's ready.
Are you ready to dig in?
Yes.
All right, that looks pretty good from here. Jamari, are you happy with it? Does it look good?
Yes.
All right. Are you excited about eating it?
Yes.
That's right, Ebony. He gets the first serving, and the best part, whatever he wants, he gets. He helped, right?
Right.
All right. And the other guys are kind of waiting patiently. But Ebony, you seem to be very comfortable in the kitchen, and cooking. Where did your passion for cooking come from? Evidently you do a lot of cooking.
My first experience that I remember came from my grandmother. She used to cook for a Catholic priest back home. And she would, on the weekends, she would take me and we would be at the soup kitchen. It's one of the first places I remember cooking.
So your humanitarian kind of, shall we say, trend or root in the family goes back to grandma. You were all conscious about helping other people. That's wonderful. Guys, you know what I say at the end of my show when I put the food on the table? I say, tutti a tavola a mangiare. Do you know what that means? In Italian, but in English it means everybody to the table and let's eat. I see them stretching out the plate. Jonathan, are you looking forward to this?
Looks interesting.
What do you mean looks interesting? You're supposed to say looks delicious. It is. Look at all the cheese oozing. A teenager, a skeptical teenager. Ebony, this is a good dish. Take a taste. Take a taste. I want to know what you think about it. Huh? I always taste on my show because people love to see how everything.
Really good. It's pretty good.
Good, guys? Everybody?
Lidia, where's my dish? I'm so jealous.
Laura, you're going to have to do some baking yourself.
Lidia, it must make you feel so good to see other people enjoying your food.
It is. It's a pleasure. It's a way of giving. And in these times especially, when there's a lot of people that don't have enough food on their table, it's all the more reason to be thankful for the food we have, and to be thankful for people like Ebony and the veterans, that they keep us safe. Ebony, I have something for you that I want to give you from my home to yours, and that is a few cookbooks for you and the boys. I see you love to cook. I want you to get more into the Italian cooking, and I want to be part of your household, of your family, even if only with the aromas for now.
Thank you so much, Lydia. That was awesome of you. I enjoyed making your recipe. I would look forward to making many more.
Okay.
Ebony, you got one-on-one instruction today and a great gift. That's a good deal. Thank you both so much for joining us today. We'll be back with a final word right after this.